Hey signers, welcome to Learn How to Sign. Today you're going to learn how to sign greetings, farewells, and introductions. These are signs that you probably use in everyday ASL conversations you'll have. In fact, towards the end of this video, I'll show you how to introduce yourself and some of the slang conversational signs. As always, be sure to like, subscribe, and be notified. It helps others find our videos too. And if you haven't heard, we launched a brand new website, learnhowtosign.org. So let's learn how to sign greetings, farewells, and introductions. First, we're going over greetings. It's important to know how to get a deaf person's attention before starting a conversation. There are different ways to do this. You can wave, tap on their shoulder. Sometimes people stomp. And for a large group, you'll turn off and on the lights in a room. Now, don't be rude about it, but remember, because they are deaf, you have to get their attention visually. So, let's learn how to sign some greetings. Hi. Hi. This is used really informally. Hi. Hello. Hello. You've got your hand right up here at your forehead, and it's coming out. Hello. How are you? How are you? You're making the sign how, and you're pointing to somebody with your eyebrows down. How are you? How are you? What's up? What's up? Your middle fingers are put on the chest, and they're going upwards. And you put an attitude like, what's up? What's up? Good or well, or good or well. Your hand is coming from your chin down to your non-dominant hand. Good or well, good or well. Morning, morning, because the sun is coming up in the morning. Morning. Afternoon, afternoon. Think of where the sun is in the afternoon. Afternoon. Night, night. Think of where the sun is at night. Night. Great job. Now, when signing morning, afternoon, and night, think about the horizon and the sun rising and setting. Keep practicing these greeting signs. Practice these every day and you'll be signing in no time. So, now that we're done with greetings, let's learn how to sign some farewells. Goodbye. Goodbye. It's just like you're waving goodbye. Goodbye. See you later. See you later. You're doing the sign for see and flipping it to later. See you later. See you later. Take care. Take care. You're doing the letter V hands sideways on top of each other. Take care. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. The sign nice with your people meeting each other and pointing to the person. Nice to meet you. Same here. Same here. You're using your Y hand for your thumb pointing to you and your pinky pointing to somebody else. Same here. See. See. Your fingers are representing your eyes looking at something. See. Later. Later. It's the letter L hand flicking forward into the future. Later. Tomorrow. Tomorrow. Your thumb flicks forward into the future. Tomorrow. A fun fact about the deaf community is that goodbyes can be really long. Each deaf person goes up to every single person to say goodbye. So if you're ever at a community event, expect deaf people to stay around a long time. There have been several times that I've attended deaf chats that have been at the mall. Well, when the mall closes, all of us move out to the parking lot and continue on chatting and saying our goodbyes even after the mall has closed. So become familiar with these farewell signs. You'll be using them a lot when you talk to a deaf person. So let's learn how to sign introductions. Friend. Friend. Think of you and your friend giving each other a hug. Friend. Introduce. Introduce. It's like you're bringing two people together to introduce them. Introduce. Meet. Meet. These are two people meeting each other. Meet. Hearing. Hearing. This is referencing that hearing people talk a lot. Hearing. Hard of hearing. Hard of hearing. It's HH for hard of hearing. Deaf or deaf. It can go either way. It's just pointing to your mouth and your ear. Deaf. My or mine. It's a flat hand just put right here on your chest. My or mine. Name. Name. You got your two fingers close together and bounce on top of each other. Name. Want. Want. Your fingers are like bent fives pulling in toward yourself. Want. So now let's put all of these signs to practice so you can start using them. My name is Meredith. My name, Meredith. Now you're noticing I'm finger spelling my name and putting what's called a sign name with it. Only a deaf person can give you a sign name, and this is a really special thing in deaf culture. I want to introduce my friend. I want to introduce my friend. His name, Brian. He name, Brian, he. With a closing signal, it can point to yourself or to somebody else that you're talking about. I'm hearing. I'm learning ASL. I hearing. I learning ASL. I. What's up? Sup. This sign is the formal sign for what's up, but sometimes you'll see sup, which is kind of a slang version. See you later. See later. And I've even seen see you later. Love, 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 love. When deaf people are leaving, they do the I love you hand. Now this doesn't really mean I love you, it's just love to everybody. I hope this was helpful. I encourage you to keep at it. Don't forget to practice these signs and phrases with your friends and family, or even in front of the mirror. We make videos like this every week, so subscribe if you want to see more. Check out our signing dictionary on learnhowtosign.org. And if you haven't noticed, our YouTube channel has been making tons of new content. We're excited to share what the future holds. And until next time, keep learning how to sign.